Hey guys, thanks for coming back. This week I'm going to do a how-to video on taking these pieces right here, putting them together to make a quench tank for your shop for quenching knives and swords and stuff like that. I'll bring you in close to show you what these parts look like. I scavenged these from a junkyard, so none of this is new, and I'm going to repurpose it all and make myself a well over-engineered quenching tank. So if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and kick back and watch the production. Alright guys, so the first step in this project is to take the parts that I picked up from the junkyard, get them all cleaned up, get the rust cleaned off and all the oxidations. So I've got my quench tank itself, the upright tank that I'm going to get cleaned up. I'm going to clean the base and the lid, and then we'll be able to have nice clean welds and everything. Okay, now here's our top, and I want to go ahead and stick this hinge to the top. We're going to see if it'll hold the weld. Just hold it on there and see if the weld will stick. Ah, man. Pop the breaker. Installed the bar, I used the magnet to hold it in place, and then I clamped this down. Now I can remove the magnet. I did recess the bar back and up so I have room to weld all the way around. Now it's time to go back over all my welds with the wire wheel and just get everything cleaned up before paint. Check it out, golf ball on the handle, super sweet. Put an equipment rail on both sides so you can hang stuff like tongs on there. And I put a hook over here to hang my chain. I'm going to use a chain to heat my oil with and then hang the chain right there. I'll have a couple little catch basins down here for oil that drips off. I do plan on heat treating the knives with the hook on them so I can hang them here and let them just drip dry. And I did purchase high temperature black paint for this, but as the project progressed, I don't want to paint it. I think the industrial look is just perfect for the shop, so I'm going to leave it just as is. All right, YouTube, I'm all wrapped up with my new Quench tank. Now listen, I'm sure a lot of you that have watched this video feel like I completely over-engineered this. And in some respect, I'd say yes, you're right. But while I was at the junkyard scavenging parts, I very specifically had a need for something this big, this wide, and this tall. My very next video that I'm doing, I have forged the Spartan 300 sword, and I needed something to quench it in. So that's what spurred this build. It's done, and I built it just slightly larger than what I needed, knowing that me being me, in the future, I'm probably going to build something even bigger. So, if you guys haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel, because you're definitely not going to want to miss out on me finishing this bad boy. Anyhow, hopefully you guys enjoyed the production. I'll see you next time.